Welcome, I'm Gary with Optimal Cruising, and this is the craziest cruise buffet you've ever seen. Walking right in, there is a full bar right at the entrance, and you are about to witness some of the most amazing food you could imagine, all in a buffet. From steak and lobster to shrimp and oysters to a chocolate waterfall, this buffet has it all. Wait until you see some of the amazing food items that have been prepared for everybody lucky enough to be on a cruise. This buffet has more than 15 stations with cuisine from around the world. You really can't go wrong, as anything you have a taste for, you're likely to find here. In the mood for a shrimp cocktail? How about prawns that are too big to fit in the glass? And all you can eat. Cold oysters, mussels, clams, all of the seafood delicacies that make your mouth water, right here for your enjoyment in the same buffet. And if you're in the mood for a steak, they have the premium cuts of meat right here at the buffet. They also have many dishes with chicken, pork, and lamb for you to choose from, and whatever will meet your appetite's needs. And if you're in the mood for Mexican food, pick up a taco, a burrito, or some nachos, along with some fresh made salsa and guacamole and sour cream on the side. And what about the sushi? Unlimited, freshly made options for everybody to enjoy. All of the common favorites: spicy tuna rolls, spicy salmon rolls, California rolls, they've got them all. And if you like your meat carved for you right in front of your eyes, look what I just came upon, this gigantic meat carving station. And right around the corner, what? A giant chocolate waterfall. The kids here are losing their minds. I haven't even picked up a plate yet, and I don't know where to start. Here's a pro tip. Don't skip the Indian food station. Yes, every cruise ship has an Indian food station in their buffet. In fact, India is a country that cruise lines recruit a lot of staff members from, and you bet they can cook. So, if you never had real Indian food, here's the place to try it. And if you're afraid to tempt the spice in Indian food, check out the Chinese food. It's usually prepared rather mildly. And what about that salad bar? Have you ever seen so many fresh veggies in one spot? Make your own salad, mix it up however you like, choose your own dressing, pour it right on top, add some cheese, and voila, you have the perfect beginning to an awesome meal. If you're just in the mood for a sandwich, you can't go wrong here. All the cold cuts you could want, all the bread you could fancy. Make your own sandwich, put on a little ketchup and mustard, maybe some mayo, and you're good to go. Think your kids need some kid-friendly food? Well, they even have a kids-only station at this buffet. Unbelievable! And if your stomach's feeling like a little kid-friendly food too, they've got the traditional hot dogs, hamburgers, buns, sauerkraut, grilled onions. Make your dog your burger any way you like. Did anybody say pizza? I have never seen a professional pizza maker in the middle of a buffet. They actually have their own pizza making station. They make the dough right in front of your eyes. Spin it in the air, roll out the sauce, the toppings, put it in the oven. Voila, it's right there for you to enjoy. You can't miss the pizza at this buffet. They even have a gluten-free station at this buffet where all of the food prepared is guaranteed to have been done in a gluten-free environment. Want fresh fruit? Well, they've got that too, and a pretty incredible selection at that. Did someone say dessert? Did I even save enough room for dessert? Wow, look at all of these amazing creations. I just can't pass it up. And I think I even saved the best for last. Check out this soft serve ice cream station, all you can eat. And pro tip, it stays open all day long. And if you're lucky enough to be at this buffet during a holiday, you will enjoy some amazing creations like this massive 4th of July cake or this beautiful Mother's Day cake with individual takeaway cupcakes. Oh, and not to be forgotten, the individual performers that'll brighten your day when you're coming to eat at this buffet. And hey, don't forget to come back to this buffet for breakfast. Imagine brunch on steroids. That's what you're gonna find. So, is this the craziest buffet ever? I think so. What's the wildest buffet you've seen on a cruise? Drop it in the comments and smash that like button if you're hungry now. And don't forget to subscribe for more behind the scenes cruise adventures from Optimal Cruising.